goes.
Yeah. Yay. There you go. That's how you hammer.
Oh, well.
Okay, that works.
That works.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Hammer
He's getting
hard.
it. He's getting it.
Yay.
Yay.
He's hammered hard, too. Help me, Dad.
Here, Daddy.
Yeah, you can do
Fish
it.
it.
There's that little airplane I bought him. Has a little red button on the top. And it makes an airplane sound. And I showed
Dad.
him one time. I said, push that little red button. And he's pushed it over and over and over again. Yeah.
Yay.
Oh, Daddy, don't let go.
It's the hardest one.
Now, let me, Dad.
You wanna do it? Oh, it's hard.
Nope.
No, Daddy did.
Still too hard.
Ready? Ready?
There it goes.
Hey!